This new AI video update from Minimax, also known as Hailuo, lets you take a single reference image of any character and bring them to life in AI-generated videos with just one prompt. Whether you want to create a professional commercial, a fantasy adventure, or a slice of life scene, your character maintains their core features across different scenarios. Let me show you a short film created using this subject reference feature on Minimax.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you're all wondering why I've invited the world's deadliest assassins here today. I'm here to offer you all a grand start.
Go back to the grave, old man!
Each and every one of you has the same shot at writing over me. The first one to take my life gets my entire fortune. No rules, no boundaries. Let it out however you want. Don't drag your feet, but also don't rush it. Patience is key.
He's mine.
Now let me show you exactly how to use this groundbreaking feature. To get started, go to haloai.video and head to the Video Creation tab. Look for the Subject Reference option. Next, add a reference character. For me, it's Tony Stark. Let's start with a simple prompt. Now, let's make it more specific. As you can see, being specific about clothing and accessories in your prompts helps maintain consistency across different scenes. However, there are some limitations to keep in mind. The AI works best with human or humanoid characters. It won't successfully process non-human subjects like robots or mythical creatures. Also, watch out for hand movements in your scenes, as these can sometimes appear distorted. Before you go, if you want to take these AI-generated videos to the next level, check out my other video about the best lip sync tool available right now. It's completely free and open source, and it can take any video and perfectly sync it with any audio you want, creating incredibly realistic results that look natural and fluid. The link is in the description below.